Aloha, it's Professor Jay, and I'm going to show you how to access the Hawaii Rules of Professional Conduct and how to find the glossary so you can understand some of the terms. You first have to go to the Judiciary's website, which as you know is www.courts.state.hi.us, and then you have to click on the link for legal references. Remember, you can't go down over the top because the media drop-down gets in the way. You have to scoop from underneath, and then you'll see that Court Rules is right near the bottom. Clicking on that will take you to a page with all of the court rules. Unfortunately, as of the time I made this, they're not in any discernible order. They're not in alphabetical order, they're not in effective date order. I'm very confused. So you're going to have to be a bit of a sleuth and scroll down to find the Hawaii Rules of Professional Conduct. Something that might make this a little harder is that apparently when they first came out, the HRPC was an exhibit to something, perhaps a memo. So you're not looking only for Hawaii Rules of Professional Conduct, and as you can see, in comparison, this first one says Hawaii Rules of Penal Procedure. You're actually looking for something that says Exhibit A, Hawaii Rules of Professional Conduct. And it's usually somewhere near the bottom, so I'm going to scroll kind of quickly until we can see where they are. Now, this might change at any minute, so you may have to be a bit of a sleuth. There we go, when it's your turn to do the research. Notice that it is available in both HTML format and PDF format. It's up to you as to which one you want to access. They contain the identical content. Just for now, I'm going to click on HTML, and it's going to take me to the title page, including the effective date. Notice that these rules were amended wholesale rather recently. If you're in a law firm where they're still going by older rules, please delete that and download or print out this copy. And their table of contents is very helpful. It, in plain language, tells you what the rules are, and these are all links, so you can click on any one of them and go right to the page. And the page we're looking for first is terminology. So we're going to click on Rule 1.0. And in this rule, they define key terms that you will find throughout the rest of the rules. I advise that you come and take a look and see what the words are. You don't necessarily have to start here and read them through and understand them all. It's enough to know, hey, I don't understand what the word fraud or fraudulent means, so I'm going to come back to the terminology because I remember that it's defined there. Some of the terms you may want to come back and look at for yourself are consult and consultation, knowingly, known or knows, and towards the bottom, reasonable belief, reasonably should known, screened, and tribunal. And that's your introduction to the Hawaii Rules of Professional Conduct.